And this is the My Jeep update, and it's Friday, May 19th. And I have to report a problem. I've got my tank partially pulled out again, as you can see. I had the tank in, installed, put 2.5 gallons of fuel in, engine started right up, ran for about 10 or 12 seconds, started running rough, quit. I got out and found a fuel leak. And the fuel stopped dripping pretty quick, and so that wasn't a problem there. Didn't have a big mess or cleanup. But as I was reviewing and thinking, where could this leak be coming from? I didn't spot it right off the bat. I turned the key back on and I found it real quick. The leak was coming from behind the fuel tank on the driver's side, and when the ignition was on, it was streaming at a good pace. And this is what I found. A line had disconnected at the fuel filter. The line that comes out of the fuel filter and goes to the engine bay was completely off. I think this retainer clip that you see here is wore out. It's not staying locked. I put it back on several times and had the same results, a leak. It would not stay locked in place. Anyway, there's the fuel pump. We're having problems with that fitting popping off, not staying locked. I'm not sure if that plastic connector's backwards or what. Okay, I took the fitting off, and if you see that plastic connector, I have a problem with the when the fuel pressure gets up, it pops the fuel line off. I don't know if that plastic fitting is on backwards or not. That's what I'm gonna have to check, or maybe it's damaged. That's something I'll have to check out. I put that filter on brand new about 1.5 years ago, and that plastic piece is off the original filter. Anyway, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of checking on that. The old fuel pump had about 30 psi. This new fuel pump has about 50 psi, and I drove with this filter for about 100 miles before I set this thing up and started doing additional work. And all I can think of is maybe there wasn't enough pressure there to pop that line off. There sure is now. I can't keep it off. Yeah, so My Jeep out.